Welcome to another video. All right, let's look at this figure here. Okay, now we have two lines that are parallel here. Okay, so there is a transversal, and once it happens, we have so many properties here. We have the corresponding angles here, we have the alternate, then we have the vertical opposite angle here. So this side is 45, okay, and this side plus this side give us 180. So I can say 3x plus 30 plus 45 will give us 180 degrees. So we have 3x plus 75 equals to 180. So in short, 3x is the same one. So let's subtract 75 from 180, which will give us 105. So we have 105, and we have to divide both sides by 3 to arrive at 35 degrees. Okay, so the correct answer for x here is 35 degrees. All right.